Hey, I'm Frida with WTI, and I'm here to share with you my latest little beauty tool that I'm completely in love with. This is by GLO24K, and it's their face and neck massager. It is super amazing for multiple reasons. First of all, it vibrates. It's so relaxing to use this. Like, I literally can't stop. There's also different colors. So blue helps with acne. My teenage daughter uses this one a lot. The green helps reduce the appearance of pores. And the red is what I use most often because I just turned 40, and this really helps with fine lines and wrinkles. This little copper bar here, it heats up just slightly. It's not very hot, but it feels incredible. I have used a gua sha tool for years, and I really love it for draining lymph nodes. This is different. The gua sha, it was kind of like a chore. I knew I should do it because it was good for me. This one, I look forward to doing this every night. I can't stop thinking about being able to massage my face before bed. They recommend about 5 minutes, but next thing you know, it's been 30 minutes and I'm still massaging my face. And I know a lot of times these tools are designed to show results over time. That's why I wanted to use it for a few weeks before I made a video and showed you guys how much I love it. But I had something happen last week that really sold me on this. I started to get a really painful pimple deep under my skin. If you've had one like that, you know, even to touch it, it feels bruised. So that night, I turned it on and I made sure to use one of the heat settings, and I just slowly massaged it over that. And the next morning, it was completely gone. And I've never had that happen before. So not only are the long-term results amazing, but the short-term results as well. I have noticed a huge difference in the texture of my skin and how plump it is. It's like it's plumped out a lot of these fine lines around here. I've never been one to take care of my face, so I really wanted to get something to try to slow down the aging process a little bit. I look forward to using it every single night, and I know I'll enjoy it for years to come. And that's my point of view.